May I humbly present to you the proposed charter officers of the newly organized Eagles Club, a club newly affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, thus Philippine Eagles Incorporated, and they are now ready for induction.
Mga kuya, position ng your club. A club newly affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, subscribing to the Constitution of the Philippine Eagles.
An installation of NCR 116 and its affiliation to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated.
So ayan, continuous natin yung induction ng Kuya Eagle. So nakalagay dito, pwede naman natin ito i-upload. So may basbas naman to sa press natin at saka sa GOB. Pwede natin i-upload mga kaganapan sa pag-induction sa Kuya Eagle. So pakita natin yung mga kung ano yung mga ginagawa namin para sakaling kayo papasok sa Kuya Eagle, may...
Now to see the next part, the presentation of our new members. I request the management to kindly turn off the lights, please. Management.
So ayun na, madilim na. Wala. Ano ko ya? Wala. Kasi din lang tayo dun. So ito na, sinisindyan na yung kandila. So off light na. Wala nang tao. So ayan mga kandila, sinisindyan na ng kandila.
Once again, once your love is cold.
Kandila na lang makikita natin.
Pasa na lang dito, pasa-pasa na lang. Pasa-pasa na lang.
We will start calling all the ambulance.
Salamat. Ayan na.
Ambulance for Republic Magic Eagles Club.
Ayan na, kandila na tayo. Candlelight.
Applicant for Republic Vanuatu Eagles Club. Applicants for Republic Boulder Answer Eagles Club. The applicants for Republic PNG Eagles Club. Additional members for NCR 10. Once again, your blocks go and stand up. Additional members for Maagat Sentinels. For Blue Eagle Club.
Ayan na, tinawag na tayo. Isang ganap na tayo na Kuya Eagle. Ay, di pa pala. Ito lang ang status.
All the members of Royal Rizal Eagles Club. Additional members of Royal Rizal Eagles Club. And the members of Republic Magic Eagles Club. We also have the additional members of clubs under NCR 10.
juncture as you're charged with your duties and responsibilities and obligation of being an eagle. Please remember the essence of eagleism, a state of relationship or building relationship. Members must have primordially developed deep sense of brotherhood among every eagle member. Why? We should develop because we have monthly meetings in your club. Participate in your club and other activities. Pay your obligation always in your club, in your region, and your national fraternity. Last but not the least, let us not forget, being an eagle, let us look at each other with the eyes of compassion rather than the eyes of condemnation. Are these all clear applicants? Are these all clear applicants?
You have been charged accordingly to your duties and responsibilities being a member of our organization. And hope that after this ceremony, please raise your right hand for all the officers. For the oath of office.
Yun na.
And happy cultural step home.
At all times, the Eagles Delegates, and moral code of ethics, as the ultimate measure of my undying judgment related to my dealings with my club, with my region, with my national fraternity, and with my fellow Eagles. So help me God. Congratulations, mga kuya at ate. Mabuhay ka! Mabuhay ka! Congratulations.
Our management, please turn out the lights, please. Once again, congratulations, you are now program Eagle members. You will now become Kuya and to the pinning of the Eagle Spin. Lights on, please, management.
Yun!
Then we have the next statement, your efforts. And now, let's begin.
Maglalagay na tayo ng pin. Ito partner ko, maglalagay kami ng pin. So mamaya magpipicture ko muna sila. Pagpicture muna tayo. Yun na.
Ayan na, meron na tayong pin. Meron na tayong pin. So, naglagay na kami ng pin. Natapos na naman natin maglagay ng pin. So, ayan, naglagay na. Ayan, siya na tayong naganap na Kuya Gil. No, siya. Yung pinakahintay natin, dumating din. Yun.
Once again, congratulations to all the additional members of our clubs under different regions belonging to the Borrego Order Philippines Incorporated.
Press, video mo na tayo. Buhay! Buhay! Yun, mabuhay si Gob.
Congrats sa Empire at saka mga ka-MDF natin sa Malabon. Congratulations at welcome to Elite Force Family Executive Clubs.
Thank you.
Kuya, kayo dalawa. Kayo magpipicture lang.
Picture na ni Press. Picture na ni Press. Sama na kami.
Shoutout na natin mga kuya natin, mga bagong kuya sa Empire. Yan, shoutout mga taga-Empire dyan, mga kuya. Congratulations sa lahat, mga kuya. Kuya Boss, dumating din ang panahon. Thank you, thank you. Ayun. Kasi palang maagap.
Attested by Eagle Alan O'Rourke, Secretary General, Eagle Joel P. Dagang, National Executive Director, Eagle Ronald F. Los Santos, National President, with whole and full-hearted members, Empire Elite Eagles Club. The Fraternal Order of Eagles, Gas Eagles Incorporated, the first Eagle-1 fraternal associate organization, service use from brotherhood message Philippines. Charter plan, all men Eagles Incorporated, a fraternal associate organization established pursuant to the bylaws adopted and ratified under the aegis and guidance of the Eagles Fundamental of the Philippine Eagles. Third officer members, Charter President Diego C. Camila, and Charter Secretary Leopoldo S. Institution Jr.
Sponsoring club. Republic Twister Eagles Club. Given this 5th day of May 2024 at Aberdeen Court, Great Eastern Hotel, Quezon Avenue, Quezon City, Philippines. Signed by our Eagle National President for the Eagle Year 2024, Eagle Ronald F. De Los Santos, attested by our Secretary General, Eagle Alan O. Corpus. Executive Field Director, Eagle Joel P. Dagang. Of STR 25, Eagle John Adrian C. Regalado. With full and wholehearted concurrence, signed by the Charter President of Republic Magic Eagles Club, Eagle Geniel T. Espinosa.
Alvin Presley, Eagle General Espinosa, Eagle Alejandro Quebral, Eagle Erenio Comilan, and Eagle Darwin Ramirez, officers and members of Republic Balicuatro Eagles Club, Republic Golden Lancer Eagles Club, Republic Maharlika Eagles Club, Republic Magic Eagles Club, Republic PNG Eagles Club, and Empire Elite Executive Eagles Club. By this charter grant that has been bestowed upon your club, I hereby declare Eagles Philippine Eagles Incorporated effective May 5, 2024.
And let us have our Eagle National President for the Eagle Year 20 for Eagle Dignitaries, the Charter Grant Ritual.
Across this wondrous land.
Of course, we hand over the Charter Grant to our Eagle National President, Kuya Ronald De Los Santos, and our PNP will hand over the Charter Grant to the incoming club presidents.
To make this world a better place to be. When the stars of life are behind, do lesson is to lend a hand. Let me show the world I can. I'll see you there. For yes, equality.
And of course, our incoming club presidents will hand over the Charter Grant to their incoming club secretary. Sabay-sabay po. 1, 2, 3.
Bow. Terus kayak one step backward. Taas yun.
And now, as of 4:58 p.m., May 4, 2024, you are now officially affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles Philippine Eagles Incorporated. You are the youngest clubs under your region. Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay ang Agila!
Ayaw mo yan, parang nabibigatan ka na kuya. Parang nabibigatan ka na, palitan kita. Buhay! Buhay!
Congratulations!
Buhay! Buhay! Woo! Pala eh. Mabuhay!
Alright, to all the club secretaries, ako pa rin yung Charter Grant. Secretaries, you will be the one safekeeping the Charter Grant. Yung stand po ng iba nandito po. May isa pong stand dito.
Vice. Yung
Vice
running
President?
for vice namin si Kuya Labas po siya.
Do we have here Kuya Joey Landicho?
May I humbly present to you the proposed charter officers of the newly organized Eagles Club, a club newly affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Das Philippine Eagles Incorporated, and they are now ready for induction.
Mga kuya,
Please, all
Lieutenant,
rise.
I hope you are going to perform your duties and responsibilities for the betterment of our organization. Please raise your right hand for the oath of officers. Position in your club. A club newly affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, subscribing to the Constitution of the Philippine Eagles and believing in its capabilities as a self-reliant, first Philippine-born, fraternal socio-civic organization that I shall defend and uphold at all times the said Constitution of the Philippine Eagles, as well as all laws, rules and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles and by my club, and having consciously uphold at all times the Eagles Delicadeza and moral code of ethics as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my daily. Okay? Congratulations, Mabayang Aguila!
Alright, congratulations to all the officers, the youngest officers of various clubs.
Mabuhay ang Agila!
Okay, so you are the youngest